I'll make this lesson very easy. Click the subscribe button below and watch this lecture. pH and POH, ionic product of water, Kw equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. pH plus POH equal to 14. Now let us start with the ionic product of water. Assume this container contains waters at 25 degrees centigrade. 10 million water molecules present in this container. Experimentally proved that only one water molecules out of 10 million water molecules ionize, and water ionized to form one hydrogen ion and one OH ion. Therefore, this container contains one hydrogen ion, one OH ion, and the rest one is water molecules. Why one water molecule only ionize? Because water is extremely very stable compound. This chemical reaction tells us the autoionization of or self-ionization of water. This container contains two things. The first one, very large quantity of solvent. As you know, the solvent here is water, and a very small quantity of solid. The solid is hydrogen ion and OH ion. Now, what's concentration? Concentration is equal to the amount of its solid dissolved in a given solvent. Therefore, concentration equal to amount of solid per amount of solvent. Therefore, the concentration of hydrogen ion, here is a square bracket read as concentration. The concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to 1 over 10 million water molecule, which is equal to 1 over 10 to the power of 7. Now the concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to, when we bring 7 to numerator, it becomes 1 times 10 to the power of minus 7. Therefore, the concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of minus 7. That's found in this container. Now let us talk about concentration of hydrogen ion. The concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to 1 over 10 million water molecule, which is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power of 7. Therefore, the concentration of hydroxide ion in this container is 1 times 10 to the power of minus 7 when we bring 7 into numerator. Now Kw derivation. How can we derive Kw? From chemical kinetics. Equilibrium constant equal to the concentration of the product over concentration of the reactant. In this chemical reaction, water is reactant because it's found in the left side of the arrow. But hydrogen ion and OH ion is the product because they are found on the right side of the arrow. Therefore, Kc of this chemical reaction is equal to the concentration of hydrogen ion times the concentration of OH ion upon concentration of water molecule. Now let us multiply both sides by concentration of water molecule. Finally, we have concentration of water molecule times Kc. These two variables are constant. Concentration of water is constant, concentration Kc is constant. The product of two constants is also constant, equal to concentration of hydrogen ion times concentration of OH ion. These two constants, we call it Kw. Means that Kw equal to the concentration of hydrogen ion times the concentration of OH ions. Now we know the value of the concentration of hydrogen ion, which is 1 times 10 to the power of minus 7. And again, we know the value of the concentration of hydroxide ion, which is 1 times 10 to the power of minus 7. Therefore, Kw is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of minus 14. Now pH and POH. pH plus POH equal to 14. How? Let us derive it. As we know, as we have seen previously, Kw is equal to the concentration of hydrogen ion times the concentration of OH ion. We know the value of Kw, which is equal to 1 times 10 to the power minus 14. Therefore, concentration of hydrogen ion times concentration of OH ion is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. Take log both sides. The logarithm of concentration of hydrogen ion times the concentration of hydroxide ion is equal to the log 10 to the power minus 14 in base 10. We know log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of B, and in common logarithm. Therefore, the logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration plus the logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration is equal to minus 14 log 10. But logarithm of 10 in base 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, the logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration plus logarithm of OH ion concentration is equal to minus 14. Let us multiply both sides by 1. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion plus negative logarithm of OH ion is equal to minus 14. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion is, we call it pH, and the negative logarithm of OH ion, we call it POH. The sum of the two is 14. What's pH? pH is the negative logarithm of the concentration of hydrogen ion. What's POH? The negative logarithm of hydroxide ion. Important point here. When a pH equal to 7, the solution is neutral solution. When the pH is less than 7, it's an acidic solution. When pH greater than 7, it's a basic solution. Each whole number below 7 is 10 times more acidic, and each whole number above 7 is 10 times more basic. Now consider this three solution, and let us name it. The first one is A, the second one is B, and the third one is C. Now again consider three base solution. The first one is P, and the second one is Q, the third one is R. Assume solution A, its pH is 1. For solution B, its pH is 2. For solution C, its pH is 3. Look, solution A, 10 times more acidic than solution B. Solution B is 10 times more acidic than solution C. And solution A, 100 times acidic than solution C. Now, solution P has pH value 8, solution Q has pH value 9, and solution R has a pH value of 10. Therefore, solution Q 10 times greater than solution P, solution R 10 times greater than solution Q. Thank you.